Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that over 30 million Americans drink Coke Zero every day? Yes, you heard that right. But have you ever wondered what's really inside that can? Today, I'm diving into the hidden health risks of Coke Zero. It's a fan-favorite sugar-free alternative, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Stick around, because you might be surprised by what you learn. First off, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. Coke Zero uses aspartame and acesulfame potassium, two popular sugar substitutes. While they keep the calories down, research shows they might not be as harmless as they seem. Some studies suggest a link between these sweeteners and weight gain, as they can trick your body into craving more sugar. But that's not all. Artificial sweeteners have also been connected to metabolic issues. There are concerns that regular consumption could lead to problems like insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget the potential impact on your gut health. Some experts believe these sweeteners can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiota, which is crucial for overall well-being. Now let's dive deeper into the science. A 2017 study published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal found that people who regularly consumed artificial sweeteners had a higher chance of experiencing weight gain, metabolic syndrome, and cardiovascular issues. Yikes! Another study from 2020 suggested that these sweeteners might even affect your brain's response to food, possibly leading to overeating. But you don't have to take my word for it. Many nutritionists and health experts are now advising caution when it comes to artificial sweeteners. Dr. Robert Lustig, a well-known pediatric endocrinologist, has been vocal about the potential risks, arguing that these substitutes can be just as harmful, if not more so, than sugar itself. So what's the takeaway here? While Coke Zero might seem like a better option compared to regular soda, it's important to be aware of the hidden risks. The artificial sweeteners it contains could potentially lead to weight gain, metabolic issues, and other health concerns. Before you reach for that next can, consider the potential impacts on your long-term health. And hey, I'm not saying you need to give up Coke Zero completely, but moderation is key. What are your thoughts on this? Have you experienced any changes after switching to Coke Zero? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to check out my other videos on health and nutrition for more eye-opening insights. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.